Hello, amazing learners. Welcome back to class. We are still on fractions of noun clauses and noun phrases in sentences. Today, we are going to be discussing a noun clause and a noun phrase functioning as subject of the verb. The subject of the verb is the doer of the action in a sentence. That is, the person or thing that perform the action. Let's have an example. My father's new car moves fast. My father's new car is the noun phrase here, and it performs the action moves. So that means my father's new car is the subject of the verb moves. Another example in noun clause. What Aisha said surprised everyone. What Aisha said surprised everyone. Here, what Aisha said is the subject of the verb surprised because it is what she said that actually surprised everyone. Now, the subject of, if you could remember, we have done subject of the sentence. So, let's give more explanation on both. The subject of a sentence is a part of the sentence that tells who or what the sentence is about. It's usually a noun or a noun phrase or a noun clause. And it answers the question who or what the sentence is talking about. While subject of a verb is a word or a group of words that performs the action or that the verb is talking about. It answers who or what person the action is talking about. Let's look at this example. My best friend loves dancing. Who loves dancing? My best friend. So now in summary, what we're saying is that the subject of the sentence and the subject of the verb are usually the same because the subject of the sentence tells what the whole sentence is about, while the subject of the verb tells us who or what perform the verb action. In other words, every sentence has a subject, and that subject usually controls the verb. So it becomes the subject of the verb. Sometimes in complex sentences or compound sentences, the sentence may have a main subject but a clause within the sentence itself, and it may have its own subject of the verb. Now let's look at this example. The teacher said that the students were late. In this sentence, the subject of the sentence is the teacher. The subject of the verb said is the teacher. The subject of the verb were is the student. So one sentence can have more than one subject of the verb depending on how many verbs or clauses it contains. So that's it. Thank you, and stay tuned for the last of all the functions of noun phrases and noun clauses in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.